What is the role of participation of guests and foreign experts in this conference, and how important and valuable will their presence be?
Yes, actually, because when considering the qualifications and some other experiences of presenters, actually you are having a good choice. I think so. And when you are working with them in the future and to solve current endeavors, and anyway you will be able to get more benefits in the future, and not only for you, for the South Asian zone, and beyond that the Asian zone and whole of the world will get benefits from your this great achievement.
Yeah. Finally, say us your message to universities and higher education institutions regarding to this conference. As you know that this conference held by Ministry of Higher Education, and universities belong to Ministry of Higher Education. So now, what's your message to universities, to this kind of organizations and institutions about this conference?
Yes, actually the concept is very good. The Ministry of Higher Education has kept a great milestone in their education sector to develop the research field, especially the water treatment section, because water treatment section is an important aspects and important problem solving sector in the present world, because the water is a very limited resource. In Afghanistan they are having limited resource of water, but the quality is very good. I according to my mind, that is true, because the quality is very good. In the case of water treatments, the collaboration is much important, so that you can collaborate with the Ministry of Higher Education, and don't stop this step at here. Please continue it up to certain level with very good enhancements in the future. And also we are from neighboring countries and we are having international research experiences. We are always with you to help for your good efforts, and I wish you all the best for your great effort and your collaboration with this great event. And